Hello, good morning. This is Michaella Jane A. Daso, and welcome to my blog in oral communication. And the first topic we're going to talk about is the five elements of communication. What are the five elements of communication? The first element of communication is sender and receiver. The first person to start a conversation is the sender, and the listener is the receiver. Example for the first element of communication, which is the sender and receiver. The example is mother told her daughter to cook for dinner, and mother is the sender and the receiver is her daughter. Yeah. Um, I'm going to put some example here.
So yesterday my daughter made dinner and she made sushi.
The second element in communication is message. This is the most vital element in communication. There have two types in message, verbal and non-verbal. So, verbal is using word like this. I'm talking or I'm explaining to you what is it. This called verbal, and non-verbal is gesturing. Let's proceed in the third element, which is the channel. It is the route traveled by the message between the sender and receiver. Channel are also writing using phone, using gadget, listening over the radio, and watching television. Like this in pandemic, we we use Google Classroom as our channel, and many apps that relate in our class. So I'll show you the example of channel in the next slide. This is the example of channel. The fourth elements in communication is the feedback. This is the reaction between the two, sender and receiver. And let's proceed in the fifth element, which is the noise. There have two types in noise, which is the physical and psychological noise. The physical is may come from loud sound. So the example of physical is this one. The second types of the noise, which is the psychological noise occurring in the mind. We cannot hear it aloud. Sounds like physical noise. It's just in our mind. Yeah, and that's it for our vlog in first topic in oral communication.